Harungamiri ma CIBITARI ya Jekim atongoretwe ni wakili wao Kalpitas Mbabuni makinyite mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya ugima nikenda gucokia ciuria ikuni GISANGASA kia NHIF baria CIBITARI ino yerekanaga niyo yaringaga mbica arwaru maria makurikana gutunywa mbica ciao mubango ni wa NHIF. Gwiteteera Jekim ni yugite gutintuko ona emwe mana bakambe ya gucua arwaru makuthongira GISANGASA ni kiu kia NHIF na kuga gutirio mana iya kana gutumira uthuku mbeca cia murwaru cia NHIF. Anthony Kadenya hari na ntitwenu nkoroki.
Do swear that evidence I shall give before this committee on the matter under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
So help me God.
Bakele bali mbele ya kamiti ya bunge nene ya gimabwa mweli na ile tongeletwe ni mbunge wa Endebes Robert Pukose yetidi na mbele baurutingo kibodi bitara ya Jekim Medical Center na Jekim Hospital ne bataterete dibitare ino kumaneno shahidi atibali na kambi mwanya GUKINYA kumantere mwanya na kobaila dibitare ino kenda kere modia dibitare ino yomba gwitia marei kumakerero anyi roa NHIF. Kirio sonkoni bwa kamitini ya bunge nene dibitare ni ya Jekim na ingeli go sonkono niko gotokorewa mungano wa bilioni 1.5 kuma NHIF eno ekimanage na maromba mamarei ngiri 30 negana remwe rekominemwe.
The NHIF revealed that these health facilities were paid approximately 1.54 billion by the NHIF for a total of 30,111 claims made between 1st July 2022 and 9th June 2023.
It is important, Honorable Chair, that you know we did not organize any medical camps as a facility.
There was no medical camps?
None as Jekim Medical Center.
We don't engage in medical camps, and we have never engaged in medical camps.
Administrators baba ni bataterete dibitare ino kuma neno shahidi ati dibitare ino ni dirito kijukia rutwa kuma skuru mwanya na nyumani gwite marei kuma kiro angiroro roa NHIF.
Just hold on, yours will continue. Those are just supplementary to the school issue. Yes, please.
Honorable Chair, I do not have an actual number of how many schools visit Jekim Medical Center. There are a couple. As an accredited facility with NHIF, we are allowed to see these students.
But you did not provide them with snacks and refreshments to come to the hospital?
No,
and ferry them?
No, Honorable Chair.
What is the closest school to Jekim Medical Center?
That would be in Kobode.
How many kilometers?
It's about 1 kilometer. This is not in our control. The schools choose which facilities they want to be attended at.
Kulinga na Jekim Medical Center ile ndia dibitari nene ya Jekim limo dibitari ino nomba kwedhiro kilaje dibitari ni ya Kanyakine amwana dibitari ni nene ya Melu level 5 kiendaje baba bomba kwedhiro bakiona otungatamu.
Jekim Medical Center, for those cases that we are unable to deal with, the closest facilities that are close to us, we have Kanyakine and Meru level 5. So these are not the only, it's not only Jekim Hospital where we refer clients to. And also, we work with the other facility, government facilities that are around us to assist our patients. Just done to Jekim Hospital, we do refer patients to the district hospitals as well, where these services can be also availed to clients. It's not necessarily Jekim Hospital.
Kulinga na dibitare ni ya Jekim kuina ntobedhirito bagituabo na kudina mbele gwitia marei kinyume na wadho kumakiro angiroro roa NHIF.
I would like to tell this committee that we have had a very good working relationship with NHIF. They have no complaints against us, And in terms of the wrong ICD-10 codes, we did attach the proper documentation for these patients. Thus, they did not raise any complaints out of that. We have also retrained our staff, and the new system will come a long way to bridge this gap.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.